The Aston Martin DB11 is the kind of car that doesn't just arrive. It makes an entrance. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't built to chase trends or numbers on a spec sheet. The DB11 is about emotion, presence, and that unmistakable Aston Martin identity that blends elegance with raw performance. The long hood, wide stance, and flowing roofline create proportions that feel almost sculpted by hand, and every angle looks intentional. There's aggression here, but it's restrained, refined, and confident rather than loud. At the front, the signature Aston Martin grille dominates the nose, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the car a focused, almost predatory look. The bodywork is smooth and aerodynamic, with clever design elements like hidden air channels that improve cooling and downforce without disrupting the clean lines. Around the back, the slim taillights and sculpted rear end keep things minimal yet dramatic, while the quad exhaust tips hint at the performance waiting underneath. Step inside, and the DB11 feels like a perfect blend of luxury craftsmanship and driver-and-focused design. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, real metal, and beautifully finished surfaces that immediately set it apart. From more tech and heavy rivals, everything you touch feels solid and deliberate. The seats are low and supportive, placing you right into the car, and the driving position feels natural whether you're cruising or pushing hard. While the infotainment system isn't as flashy as some competitors, it's functional, clear, and integrated in a way that doesn't distract from the driving experience. Under the hood is where the DB11 really starts to show its personality. Depending on the version, you'll find either a twins-and turbo V-BA or a twins-and turbo VCR, both delivering serious power and torque. The V-BA offers a lighter, more agile feel, while the VCR adds an extra layer of smoothness and drama. Acceleration is strong and effortless, with the car pulling hard through the gears while maintaining a refined character. It's fast, but it never feels frantic. The engine sound is rich and emotional, especially when you open it up, reminding you that this is a car meant to be driven, not just admired. On the road, the DB11 strikes a balance that few cars manage. It's a grand tourer at heart, meaning it's comfortable enough for long highway drives. But when the road gets twisty, it tightens up and comes alive. The steering is precise. The chassis feels planted, and the suspension adapts well to different driving modes. In comfort mode, the car glides smoothly, soaking up imperfections. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus and everything sharpens. Throttle response, steering weight, and exhaust note all become more aggressive. One of the DB11's biggest selling points is how it makes you feel behind the wheel. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with digital gimmicks or constant alerts. Instead, it delivers a pure connected driving experience that feels special every time you start it up. This is a car that rewards smooth inputs and confident driving, making every journey feel like an occasion. Practicality isn't the DB11's main focus, but it's surprisingly usable for a high-end sports coupe. There's enough trunk space for weekend luggage, and the interior storage is reasonable for daily essentials. The rear seats are best described as occasional use, but that's expected in this segment. Safety and driver assistance features are present, though they take a back seat to the overall driving experience, which is exactly what most DB11 buyers are looking for. What truly sets the Aston Martin DB11 apart is its sense of exclusivity and character. You don't see them on every corner, and when one passes by, it commands attention without needing to shout. It's a car for someone who values craftsmanship, heritage, and emotion as much as speed and performance. In a world where many luxury performance cars are becoming increasingly similar, the DB11 stands out by staying true to what Aston Martin does best. In the end, the Aston Martin DB11 isn't about being the fastest or the most technologically advanced car on the road. It's about elegance, power, and the joy of driving, something that feels genuinely special. If you're looking for a luxury sports car that combines beauty, performance, and soul, the DB11 remains one of the most compelling choices out there.